Today's demo is a simple turtle graphics demo. We're going to create a turtle graphics program to draw shapes. We'll also demonstrate some of the editing features of TouchDevelop. So first off, I'm going to go and click on Create Script. I'm going to click on Turtle Drawings, which is going to get us a good start. And I'm going to give it a name. In this case, my shapes. Give it some name that has meaning for you. We're going to click Create, and as you can see, it starts by setting up with the turtle. I'm going to clear this out of here. You can run through this workshop here on the bottom left if you want, but we'll just do this demo here. Turtle commands include clear screen, set pen colors. In this case, we're just going to use the random number. And move forward is one of the commands. Well, we're going to change this. This is a little further than we want. Click here on the 2, delete this. We're just going to move ahead 90. And I can either type it in or I can click 90 here. Now I want another statement to turn the turtle. So I'm going to click on Turtle. And the command that I'm going to do is turn left. There's also a turn right, and you can click through here and see a number of the different options. And as you can see, there are quite a few. But as I said, we'll start with turn left, and we're going to turn left 90 degrees. Great. Well, this is going to run. And we can run, and as you can see, it moves and turns 90 degrees. Big whoop. Well, let's do this. Let's click on this. I'm going to mark this. I'm going to pull down this here to highlight both of these lines, and I'm going to copy the selection. Click here, paste. Click here, paste. Click here, and paste. So I've got several copies of this. And what we'll see now is that we're going to get a square. Isn't this great? Super. But our code looks kind of messy. There's got to be an easier way to do this. And there is. Let's get rid of this. We're going to mark this. Drag this down here. Cut this selection. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take these two statements, again, mark them, and we're going to slide down here and surround with a for loop. And we're going to click right up here, and we're going to put in a number 4, and everything in what's highlighted in light blue here will be done 4 times. So now we've got much simpler code, and again, we get our square. Now, the great thing about this is it gives us all of a sudden a lot more flexibility. So let's do this. Let's add here a variable. Let's call it sides. And let's ask the user, so go to the wall, ask for a number, and the number we want is how many sides. And now we're going to take the sides and we're going to delete this 4 here and replace it with sides. Now this is great, except if we run this with more sides than 4, we're going to get something really weird. So let's do this. Let's edit this and make it 360 divided by sides. Whoops, sorry, I didn't want to do that here. I want to leave this at 90. This one here, the turning, is what I want to change to 360 divided by sides. And what this will do is use the number of sides to determine how many degrees that we're going to turn. We'll run this, and if we answer 4 sides here, we'll get our square. I'm going to run this again. This time I'm going to say 5 sides, and we're going to get a pentagon. Now if I do a really large number of sides, I'm going to get something much different. In fact, I'm going to get something that's going to completely go off the screen. So I probably want to think about not doing that. There we go. It comes complete circle. And we can think about changing the amount forward based on the number of sides as well. But for the time being, we have a simple program that uses a for loop and a variable to draw a figure of however many sides we want. We can take this and we can use this and do all kinds of changes and make many interesting things. And that's it for right now. Thank you.